Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. It's been very long since I've shot anything on YouTube, and honestly I felt that I can't do YouTube with like full-time working, and then of course Instagram is also there. But I have got so many things from Japan. A friend got it for me and they're like quite many, and these are like your must top buy from Japan, or you know, the viral things that you see on the internet that people are getting from Japan. So I just thought I'll share whatever I got. I love watching these videos, so I thought why not just record it myself. I'm gonna put my glasses because I'm practically blind at this point, and I actually ran out of my lenses lotion, so that I have to wear my specs now. Okay, so starting from this first packet, it just has two things. First is this bottle, it's the Roku Gin. Next is one more bottle, it's still sealed packed, and this is one of my favorite. So here it is, it's the Sakura single malt whiskey. So Sakura is basically like the Japan aesthetics. The Japan cherry blossom season that you see, the pink flowers, that is called Sakura, and it's basically world's 23rd whiskey winner. Even though I wanted like a pink aesthetic bottle, but that wasn't there in, I think because the pink season was not there in Japan, so I think the bottle was also not there. It's limited edition, but yeah, this is how it looks. Just this two bottles in this package. Okay, no wait, there's one more thing. Okay, so this is a ramen. Of course I can't read what it's written, it's in Japanese. Then there's some chopsticks. Yeah, that's it. So coming back to this second package, it's a really big one. First thing is this. So I've already worn this Uniqlo Airism bra top. So it is a tank top which has like a bra already attached to it inside. It was really viral when it first launched. You can get this anywhere in the Uniqlo store, even in India. It's just Uniqlo is a Japan based brand and it's cheaper there. So yeah, since I've already worn this, I'll attach a picture here just for your reference. This skincare product, it's the Medicube Zero Pore Mask, sheet mask. No, not the sheet mask. It's basically cotton pads dipped in serum. So yeah, it's that. Korean skincare, a little cheaper in Japan as compared to India. So this is how it looks. It's the Medicube Zero Pore pads. It has this holder, and then there's a lot of pads inside with the serum, if you can see. It is really famous, like you must have seen on the TikTok or like Instagram. It's the And Honey shampoo and conditioner, and it's called Melty. It's moist repair shampoo and Melty moist repair treatment. So this is how it looks. So even though he got this from Don Quixote, the store that you practically get everything in Japan from, but it's also Cosmo rated #1. So what Cosmo is basically Sephora in Japan. So we don't have Sephora in Japan. The store is called Cosme, and it's rated Cosme #1, if you can see. Next is this Anua 77% Sika soothing toner sheet mask. So basically you get this Anua 77% toner like in a bottle form. उसी का शीट फॉर्म वर्जन है ये. ऑफ कोर्स ये सब इंडिया में अवेलेबल है, बट वहाँ थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा चीपर है. देन देयर सम चॉकलेट, इट्स कॉल्ड बार्क थिन्स. इट्स अ चॉकलेट, आई थिंक almond and thin shells and bars of chocolate. So I've already finished one packet of this, one is left. Okay, next is this matcha. Of course you know matcha and Japan go hand in hand, and so he got me two matchas. One is like a really expensive matcha, one is like on a medium, called Kyoto Uji matcha. that's what it's written in English. Otherwise बाकी सब Japanese में है, पीछे भी सब Japan में लिखा है. तो yeah, I haven't tried अभी तक matcha. I've tried only once in my life matcha, and that too from Delhi only. Like in GK there's a place, but this I have not tried. Got me this really cute stuff. So you know Japan is famous for like their anime, cartoons. Is from I think Disney only. So it's the official Disney store. It's little Disney store.jp. So Japan Disney store. It's for 4,000 yen. It's written over here. 4,000 yen approx 2100 2200 ka hua in Indian rupees. And so it is a coffee mug and a holder. Like it comes with this chain and holder, and inside it has a insulated glass coffee mug. This is the coffee mug. I matcha to work in this. Mentioned it to him. I made him a list कि Don Quijote में जाके ये ले लेना, Cosme में जाके ये ले लेना, this is famous, that is famous, so that he can get, you know, for other people as well. Because what I feel is men don't know what to buy, so they'll randomly buy anything. It's better that you give them a list and they just blindly have to follow that list. Is this viral, very viral, I would say, mask. It is a rice mask. So you know K Beauty, J Beauty, they are obsessed with their rice, and they literally put everything, rice hair mask, rice face mask, rice whatever, and it is very famous. I've not tried it, I've not heard reviews of it. It's just कि बहुत famous है, हर जगह दिख रहा था, and it's cheap. I don't know exact price, but I'll mention. So yeah, next is like, I think it's the most expensive thing out of everything. I think so. So it's this. It's the matcha kit. So you know, of course, Japan is very famous for its matcha. So there is a store in Japan, it's called Loft, and it's on the pricier side, but they have really good stuff. So this is how the kit looks like. The matcha mixer, the whisk, this is how it looks. So basically you get everything in a kit, and actually it's a good gifting option as well. So it has this matcha spoon जिससे वो matcha का powder उठाते हैं. Then there's this the matcha mixing bowl, and it's of course it's in Sakura collection. It has like pink flowers all it. I love everything pink, so I think it was just known कि pink ही लाना है. Also I told you ना that he got me a really expensive matcha. It doesn't come with the kit. It's has to be bought अलग से. But this is the matcha that he got. It's the काफी expensive one is inside that. This is a whole kit. So it's written something and नीचे Japan. ये सब कुछ एक ही किट में आ गया, अलग से नहीं खरीदना पड़ेगा everything. So yeah, that is what it. Okay, so that was it for the first packet. Now one more thing. So when you are making this whole matcha की bowl रखा, whisker रखा, चम्मच रखा, matcha का kit रखा, तो उसके नीचे a pink mat. Thoughtful. Men can be thoughtful. One more packet which is left. Next is this, again a viral sunscreen. So you have heard of Biore sunscreen, okay? इंडिया में मिलती है, बहुत easily available है, but Biore का ये वाला version नहीं मिलता है. It's like a spray water sunscreen. So it is like a water spray and ऊपर से cooling. You remember that I showed you the Melty and Honey का conditioner and shampoo, उसी का. And I was telling you the original and honey कैसा दिखता है येलो कलर का. So this is the yellow color का and honey, but it's a hair oil. It's basically a hair serum. Wait, sniff this. Okay, it's that yellow. Can you see? Oh, it smells really nice. पता है मुझे कैसा लग रहा है कि वो हाई च्यू की कैंडी नहीं थी. It smells like candy. Next is this. It's the Uniqlo night suit. Again you get this in India, it's just cheaper there. So basically ये same night suit इंडिया की वेबसाइट पे भी listed है, and I think it's for 4K. And Uniqlo जापान में it was for 2300 approx, and उसके ऊपर 50% ऑफ था. तो मुझे ये basically 1000 रुपए में मिला है. तो it is like that cheap. And this print, it's basically full sleeves top, night suit and shorts. So yes, in Japan someone says that it's a lotion. No, it's not a lotion, it's a toner / essence, because that's what they call it, as a lotion. And you know that we get this nail mucin in India, तो same consistency है. It's not like sticky, but consistency is same. So It's like really glowy and it's a like high concentration of vitamin C. Basically I used it once जिस दिन आया था उसी दिन, but it did break me out, so I'm gonna pass this to my dad because he loves vitamin C. Next is this. It's the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Water Essence. Again, how it looks. Yeah, this is the ginseng water toner from Beauty of Joseon. Next is, oh, again one more sheet mask, the collagen one. उसके बाद then this is the ramen. Again, I don't know which ramen is it. I'm not a ramen pro. I do enjoy ramen sometimes, but not that, you know, very fond of ramen. कोई best seller था again, so got this. One more packet of ramen. Again, it was a best seller, so got it. One more very viral product, and I told him specifically to get me this because the dentist in me just couldn't, you know, wait for this. It's the Marvis toothpaste. Basically, it's a very famous toothpaste brand. It's a French pharmacy brand. इंडिया में तो अवेलेबल ही नहीं है, तो वहाँ मिल गया, so got this one. And if you know, Japan has like a variety of Kit Kat flavors. So and I researched कि अब ये लाखों Kit Kat के flavors है, कौन सा चाहिए मुझे नहीं पता है. So I just went and I saw that Shivesh, the person who bakes, उसकी reel, and just saw this कि Kit Kat का lemon flavor is very famous. Then of course Kit Kat का matcha flavor is also there, and matcha में भी बहुत सारे थे. It's the matcha latte flavor. इसमें छोटी छोटी Kit Kats हैं. Ever had that cream cheese frosting वाला lemon cake? And उसमें तो कम lemon होता है. It's like a very tangy lemon and अच्छा side of lemon, and it's like a cream frosting, कोई pistachio की frosting डाली है. It is tasting exactly like that. Yeah, and one more very viral product, and you get this only in Japan. So ये Japan का famous है. It's the pear acne cream. Like it's supposed to be very potent, and I've seen Doormat making videos on this कि ऐसा formulation and concentration we don't get in India. So it's that acne cream. Of course, haven't tried, just got it. कि randomly मेरी खाई हुई candies, high chew candies के packets हैं. And yeah, that was it. I know it was a lot of stuff, and I hope you liked it. I love watching these videos, so I thought कि चलो मैं भी बना लेती हूँ. And this is all he got for me in Japan. And I think 2-3 चीज़ें और हैं जो इधर उधर मैंने यूज़ कर ली है already. But if there's something else, I'll mention in the comments only. So yeah, bye.